and I created the drawing machine.
Okay, the drawing machine.
Yeah.
So that's very simple and to the point. And what is it that the drawing machine actually does?
Well, the drawing machine is a beautifully simple way for a computer to hold a pen. And essentially it's running through custom software that I made, which takes a photograph as a source image and then decides in real time how to draw. So
Okay.
it never actually does the same thing twice.
Oh, that's cool. So you could have the same source image, but it wouldn't look exactly the same because of the special sauce that you have written.
That's right.
Okay.
The algorithm that I've written allows it to make different decisions as it draws.
Okay.
So the interpretation that it makes is almost like an artistic license for the machine.
Wow, that's kind of fun. So what inspired you to create a project like this?
Well, I can never draw on my own, so I thought I'd make a robot that could do it for me.
Oh, okay, that's highly intelligent. So, and why would you give a computer artistic license? What appeals to you about that?
You know, I'm thinking a lot about the limitations of a human artist and maybe the limitations of a machine artist.
Okay.
And it makes us think about what it means for a machine to make an artwork, and is that a valid art piece in itself?
Right.
Or who is really the artist in the creation of this artwork? Is it me or the machine, the one that's making the work itself?
Exactly, okay. Now tell me a little bit about the subject matter. Is it chosen at random, or is this like whatever you like, or do you let people pick?
Sometimes I'll do commissions, but typically I'll do things that are recognizable, like Abraham Lincoln.
Okay.
So that you can look past the image because you recognize it, and then you can look in to see how it's working and the gestures and movements that it's making to create that image.
Okay, interesting. Yeah, because I'm looking at all of the different things that you tell me about how long it takes to do images in general.
Well, it really depends on the image and the density that I've chosen to display it at.
Okay.
So some of the larger ones can take up to a month.
Oh, wow, okay.
And then the smaller ones can take 6 to 8 hours, depending.
Very cool. Now, I noticed that you're using a free-form pencil, or is that a pen?
This is a micron pen, and it's a .01, so it's a very fine tip.
And you have some controllers going on here. Very interesting.
Yeah, I'm using microcontrollers and the processing environments too.
Okay, so yeah, that's wonderful.